Hi, my name is Sia and I'm standing here outside NYU's Tisch School of the Arts where I'm spending the summer rehearsing for a musical that I was selected for. A couple of years ago I did Pomegranate's year-long summer program, and I genuinely believe that one of the main reasons that I've been able to make it here and have opportunities like this is because of the skills I've been able to gain through that program, whether that's something as simple as some improvisation exercises to learning about different styles and forms of theatre, and even how to write a script. All these are the skills that I have learned through Pomegranate and I've been able to apply here. Even in the audition for this musical, I was able to use things that we just used to casually do in a class in Pomegranate. And I genuinely think that for anyone who's interested in theatre, doing the year-long program is 100% worth it, especially if you want to take that interest forward and see where it goes, because genuinely it's opened up so many new opportunities for me, and so I would definitely recommend it.